Oh, we have here is a Carriage House. I think it's a Carriage House 2 ceiling fan. Probably is. Because they have the basic wooden pendant, which tells me it's an older Carriage House 2. It's a little dirty, but you know what? Most fans are. It's in my sister's apartment spare bedroom, which I won't show. Go ahead and shut the fan off on high. You know, it's a light changed and I think so there's nothing I can do about it. So we started off on low. Turn off the medium. See you later, Grandma. No more turn off the high. It has a very slight wobble on the camera. Well, that's the fan. I think it's in reverse. It's not my fan though, so I don't care if I get in the comments or not. I'm not gonna reverse it. You know what? Hell with it. I'm gonna reverse it. I know it's to reverse it while training, so I'm just gonna reverse it while. Think air's meaning. Okay, so now I have a reverse switch flipped. Want to hear that again? It's flipped. Now I'll go ahead and turn it to right. Turn to high. Puts off a pretty good breeze actually. I don't know high. Go ahead and turn it off now. Or set back to its original speed. You check out these switches though. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching and more to come.